KB5014697 failed to install. This error showing 0x800700a1. So how to fix? So guys, click to start button, go to setting, system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows update troubleshoot, to click to run, and please wait few minutes. Now this is detecting problem. What's the problem in your systems? Okay, firewall off. It's okay, no problem. It is this. When finish the troubleshoot options, so I will give you second option. So then guys, second option, it is Windows R, type services.msc. okay, type W for Windows update, scroll down, Windows update, and click restart. Okay, and then close, and then again type cmd, run as administrator, and guys, some command I will give you so in description, so you copy paste and please apply, because command is very important. Stop net stop bit, okay, then second, then this one. Then guys, you disable your antivirus. If you using like free antivirus like McAfee, Trial, Avista, Scans, using free antivirus, so you just uninstall, otherwise update not complete. Actually antivirus is blocking to some updates files, that's why it's not installed, download and install. So that's why you uninstall, otherwise you just stop for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, and if you are using McAfee license version, so also block it. Okay, and if your system is like Windows BitLocker on, so please temporarily suspend and then try. Okay, bye bye, take care, have an issue please comment me, I will support you.